Welcome to Dwbiadda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video tutorial on Weka. Similar to Python or R, Weka also deals with packages. Any new functionality becomes available to Weka through packages. To use that package, we need to install it on Weka. In this session, we are going to explain Weka package management system in detail. Let's move to the Weka GUI environment. Weka is a data mining environment that contains a rich set of machine learning algorithms. After initiation, we will get same graphical user interface of Weka. In Tool menu items, Weka contains Package Manager, which is a graphical interface to Weka's package management system. The Package Manager window is divided horizontally into two sections. At the top is a list of packages, and at the bottom is a mini browser that can be used to display information on the currently selected packages. The package list shows the name of the package, its category, the currently installed version, the latest version available via the repository, and whether the package has been loaded or not. The installed package list will be available on selecting the installed button. The available option will display all the packages available in the repository. We can choose any package from this list and install it in Weka environment. Weka repository may contain multiple versions of package, and we have to choose which version we want to work with. Suppose for this specific software we have two versions, 1.0.0 and 1.0.1. So we have to select the version we want to install. Now we will choose Weka Excel package and install it in Weka. This is our Weka Excel package. In our repository, we have multiple versions, but we will choose the latest one. As we clicked on Weka Excel, the detail has displayed in below section. This package supports to directly read from and write to spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel format. At the very top of the window, there are 4 tabs. The tab on the left hand side can be used to refresh the cached copy of the package repository metadata. It is always suggested to refresh the repository before any new package installation. It may take few seconds. Cache refresh completed. Now we will choose Weka Excel and install it. Yes, it may take few seconds to a minute to install it. It's done. Package installed successfully. Let's move to the install section. Our Weka Excel is now available in Weka environment. So the steps are very simple. Choose a package, select appropriate version and install it. With this, we are finishing our demonstration in Weka, now returning to the presentation. In this session, we focused on Weka package management system and demonstrated how to install a package on Weka environment. That's all for now. See you in the next tutorial.